Hi and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to transform this stock Norev 180 scale Renault 16 TX to the car you've seen a couple of seconds ago. First, let's unbox it. And when you're new at my channel, I'm Peter. I build custom scale model cars, RC cars, trucks and all kind of things with wheels for customers or for myself. The model is already almost the same as the real car, so I didn't have to change much, but I have to change the color, some license plates, some other minor details. So let's go. I think Norev did a great job by creating this scale model. First, let's take it off its stand and take a closer look at what we are working with. All the opening parts came with little seals, so let's take them off, so we can have a closer look at the nicely detailed engine bay and interior. Every time I get a Norev model to work with, it amazes me how nicely detailed it already is. And how nicely everything opens and closes. Even the partial shelf can move, just like the real car. Yeah, they really did a great job with this model. The car even came with a fully detailed engine bay and engine. The underside of the car is a little less realistic, but yeah, most of the parts are there. And when we put it on a display later on, you don't see it anymore. Just a couple of pictures to see how nice it is. Now we are going to take it apart for its new color. The car is held together with a couple of Phillips screws. And most of the other things like the trim and the lights are pushed together, all with a little bit of glue. So now it's time to separate the body from the chassis. The car even came with a headliner, what we are going to change later on in this video. So now I had everything taken apart, it was time to make it ready for its new paint. And it still amazes me how nice the paint job already is from factory. But yeah, let's prep it and sand it for its new color. And when you're new at my channel and liking this video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, put on your notifications bell and watch my whole video please. You help me a lot. So, the first layers of its new color are on. After I let this dry for about 24 hours, I put on the clear coat. And as you can see, the color changes in the lighting or at the angle you look at it. I think it's a really nice color, and that for the 70s car. So now it was time to let it dry for about 24 hours. And after this I'm going to put the car back together. First we are going to add some more black details for the inside of the car, like the A, B and C pillars, because they were white in this model and in the real car they are black. and I hand painted the window surroundings black. So now the windows can go back in. The windows already had nice chrome trim around them, so I had to do nothing about them. And I painted the headliner black. So when that was ready, it was time to put all opening parts back in, like the rear trunk door. And check if it still opens and closes nicely. And it does, so we can go on with the rebuild of the car. The customer asked me if I can put some LED lights in it. Yeah, of course I can. The car is going to be a birthday present for the owner. I made some little holes in the rear taillights to put in the LEDs. And when all the lights were in, it was time to make the interior a little bit darker brown than it was. And when I was happy with that, it was time to put the car back together. I think the paint job turned out great. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. The real car got some chrome trim on the roof and around the wheels, so I hand painted that. Now it was time to put on the final details, like the wipers, the door handles and some other minor parts. And for the final touch, I made some license plates exactly the same like the real car. And the mailman arrived with this new display stand, so I'm going to change that to put the Renault on this display. Made the wires nice and tidy, and yeah, it looks nice I think. So with this, the project is coming to an end. I want to thank you for watching this video. I hope you're going to subscribe, of course. Please like, share, put on your notifications bell, and I hope I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
Jacques